I'd like to show you how in 3 easy steps you can take a leaky water hose back to its prime and get back to work. I'm going to use this X-Acto knife to cut a clean edge. Oh, a sharp knife is a safe knife, so I'm going to switch out this blade. I love this style of X-Acto knife. Then we're going to go to our other section right here. And I made sure that this is the only section. You could probably do this with multiple sections, but before I started cutting up my hose, I wanted to make sure this was the root of my problem. So let's cut this portion right here. Again, I'm moving back. Actually, there's still some cracking right there. So I'm going to move back even further so I know I have good line. Then we'll cut that. So what we're going to be using is this brass coupler with some stainless steel clamps. Don't use plastic. Get the metal, okay? You're probably $1 above what the plastic price would be on this, but this was under $5, and this is going to last me 3 of the plastic pieces. Both ends of the hose are going to go right here, and they're going to get a clamp. I'm going to lube up this coupler with a little bit of soap so I can slide it on. Slide this on. Got our hose lined up. Now it's time to clamp. Just fit it to size. You can use a standard bit as well for a screwdriver, but it just doesn't have the torque that a crescent wrench does. I think these are 1/4 inch, so you could use a socket too if you wanted. I'm going to make sure that this clamp, if you kind of do an imaginary end to your coupler here, the end of it's right about here. I'm going to try to stick this right in the middle, and then we'll just tighten it down. So here we go. We got them all lined up and coupled together, clamped down tight. Again, I like the crescent wrench to really get that torque and torque this down tight, because the last thing you want is a slow leak right there. That's what we're trying to prevent. 3 easy steps and we got our hose back to working capacity. If you also struggle with the business end of your hose, where you put the sprayer onto the end, I have a fix for that as well. So please check out this video next so that you can see how I make those repairs and get my hose back to work.